Here we are at the Mortgage Choice Roadshow. We've been going around the country on the Aspire program to help them rebuild their dreams, their plans, their cash flow and their confidence. Or my personal favourite between Zoom meetings, when there's just a little smidge of time, is this one. I want you to do it with me. You ready? Hands up, hands up. Give me some jazz hands again. Clap 3 times and say, ta-da! When we have the courage to be proactive about managing our mindsets when things are feeling like they're going a little bit belly up, this allows us to persevere, to progress, and to bounce forward. What is it that you can metaphorically burn? What is it that you can let go of? We need to let go of often our plans and our expectations that we had previous to our challenges because they're no longer relevant. So maybe for you, that is burning that initial business plan that you had because it isn't relevant anymore. But this next one's my all-time favorite. Book a hotel, pretend I'm on a work trip and order room service. Spoiler alert, everyone here in your network has skills and resources that they would like to share with you. Adversities come in all shapes and sizes, but so do our opportunities. And if we can find the opportunities in our challenges, that is where the magic happens.
What was great with Heidi's presentation today was the practical steps. I love the R.E.B.U.I.L.D acronym.
Heidi was amazing. Her energy and her humour allowed us to connect with the material and really apply it to ourselves.
It has been such a pleasure to be going around the country working with all these incredible women who are making such a positive difference to economy and to our world.